Doo-doo-doo. That's familiar. I remember having one of those on the M4 that I crashed last year. Huh. Oh, another oil system as well, huh? So, what's all different to this car then?
Basically everything.
Okay.
So everything which can be modified is modified.
All right. So, well, the intercoolers, they're not just for the looks.
Exactly.
It's so you have different turbos as well in it, huh? You told me.
Yes.
Somewhere hidden, somewhere there that
Down there.
Yeah,
yes.
we cannot see them, but we have carbon fiber intake from Venturi. That's
Exactly.
cool.
Charge pipes.
Nice. So what's the power? That's the most important question then, I guess.
It's around 630,
Uh-huh.
but for track use it's like 590, 600, so we made different maps.
Nice. Now a couple of supporting mods. We have Pro Track wheels and S2R tires. Brakes, you told me, endless. Yeah, we see blue pads over there. Yay. I would probably myself go for AR1s, especially for these power, but I understand if you want to drive in the rain or on the street, then this is definitely the perfect compromise. On the rear, I guess, same setup.
Yeah, exactly.
Suspension-wise,
KW V3. The turbos, the name is LM700 track.
Okay.
They're good for
700, I guess.
not exactly
Okay.
680, but we're running cats now. Because we're in Germany. So the power is limited.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I have driver excuse, you have tuner excuse.
Yes.
Cats in Germany. Boo. Okay, well, let's go check it out how the cats perform in Germany, and mostly the turbos with the cats. This is very impressive because we're filming this the day after Green Hell driving days, and for the last 5 days it would take between 20 to 60 minutes to get onto the track, and now we have just like a free entry. It's completely massive contrast. We are on the track, gonna try to do 2 laps. So warm up. Ooh, sound. Maybe we'll listen to that first. Everything is off. Shifting around 7, I guess. No second lap.
Too hot.
Yes. And I guess that's kind of it. The car went into limp mode because it got overheated. And although it is quite often the case that it has to do with bad tuning, with poor heat management, this case it was an actual technical defect caused by the, I would say, age of the car, because technical inspection later revealed that the connector of the secondary water pump was corroded and therefore was not working. So it was fixed, and hopefully we can go out again next year. So, but for this video, that's kind of it. I really had fun with the car, and I guess, well, the owner slash passenger was also enjoying it, judging by his faces. So for now, watch the conclusion. We're gonna go continue and building our, well, something else here. More on that in a couple of upcoming weeks, videos, etc. I already said too much. Bye. Well, that was fun.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So the power is plenty.
Yeah.
The second lap wouldn't make sense because the tires need to be a bit grippier for the power that you have and the speed that you can carry through the corners.
So the real semi-slicks?
Yeah, like AR1s or something, like something really to match the power. But for the rest, yeah, it's cool.
So the level of power is like right in the spot, or?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's great for the track, but the rest, like the tires need to be, and suspension is also on the soft side.
Yes.
So I mean, it's obviously for a road car, it's perfect. But for track, it's something that I would then complain about, like, need more grip. And more
Yeah.
So you know, so it's yeah, but it's fun. It's the lag is also not too big.
Yes.
It's a bit laggier than the stock engine, of course, but it's not horrible.
Okay.
So
The turbos should spool a little bit earlier than stock.
are they? Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I just need to get used to the car a bit more.